Nice. Now we're gonna make some salami delights.
Oh yeah. So you're gonna cut it?
Oh yes.
Lightsabers be like when they turn on.
We're trying to make a video.
Lightsabers be like.
Shut up. Can we trust you with a knife? I'm just gonna stay behind you.
Don't play about the knife.
Okay.
That is-
No. Leave it.
No!
Jackson.
That is meat abuse.
No, let's restart because my mom ruined it.
I didn't even get her in it. Just keep on going. Just go.
Yeah, but I said her in the video. Okay.
Just go.
So, hold on. At least I know what this.
No. Okay, moving on.
So, I mean, you want some? Alright, that's
Smell it. Just smell the salami.
Jackson, what are you doing?
I'm trying to cut it. I'm trying to figure out a place to cut it. This looks like a good place.
There's still stuff on that, I'm pretty sure.
No, that's just grease.
Oh.
Cut. Some. What's special?
Does it taste good?
Tastes like my.
Oh no, it's glitching.
I pulled my hair. Oh. Oh man. Oh yeah. With my hands.
No. No!
Greased up with me. I heard this one off of. Oh, look at that. Yeah, look at that. Look at that meat. You want to get close up? Close up with that meat. Mama, need a bigger knife. This knife isn't cutting nothing, boy. Whoa, look at that clean cut. You guys want some salami samples? You boys hungry?
Sure am. Camera's perfect, they can see you. No. I've always hated salami. If you just keep it like that, the camera can see. And that's the camera.
You hate salami? You're not my friend. Take a bite out of it. It's good stuff. Like and subscribe or Mr. Piggy gets it.
No, but seriously, Mr. Piggy will get it. And he is filled with water.
And he'll get all the camera. Go get me cheese, apprentice. Cheese from the fridge.
No, those are famous Richmond. I'm from the center, but here.
Oh yeah, mayonnaise too.
We're showing you how to make a salami sandwich.
My salami appetizers.
Jackson, look. He's about to grow a pimple.
Oh. Let's pop that pimple.
Pop it.
Oh.
Do you seriously want to pop the
We
pimple?
don't want these, Mom.
What do you want?
Cheese slices.
I don't have any cheese slices. You can slice that cheese.
Do you want Papa Pig?
No. Alright.
No, we have to make the favorite one. Yes, you're gonna pop it.
I'm not popping Mr. Pigeon. Who said I was gonna pop him?
You said okay, fine.
Because
Yeah, he's about to grow up here.
Hello, welcome to my cooking show.
Don't get in the camera.
Oh yeah, take a
Yes,
massive,
it is filming for YouTube. I know, right?
take a massive dump on that. Doing a slather of salami.
My friends, move, Ross. Ross, America, move.
Oh, these slices are the best.
What you did?
Don't cut that with the...
Don't do it like that. Oh, you're ruining this, Waylon.
My apprentice opens plastic.
Hold on, Waylon is ruining this. Oh, yeah, that should be perfect.
Alright, let's do this. Look,
Hey, where'd the pig go?
my hands are greasy.
What if his leg breaks? Will a pig pop?
Yeah.
I got some cheese.
Hey guys, after this, you wanna go play some Gang Beasts?
Yes. Don't you have 4 controllers now? Well,
No, that was for the Nintendo Switch.
Oh. Yeah, since what's
Bon
the
appetit, my truckers.
Actually, do you have any other three-player game we can play? No. You have the escape. You like mayonnaise? Can we do that?
No.
Oh, that's 2-player, right? No.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. All right, guys.
You can go have a bite.
No. All right, that's gonna wrap it up for this cooking episode.
No.
No.
You have to taste my cookies.
After what?
Try some.
It's just a meat and cheese sandwich, guys. It's really